Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Mercy and today I'll be showing you how I made this UZIZA soup. UZIZA soup is a very delicious soup that you can eat with any type of swallow. You can enjoy it in the morning, in the night, in the afternoon, anytime you like, and you will have no regret. So if this is the first time you are coming to this channel, you are welcome. So we'll start by washing the meat that we are going to use for the soup. So for today, I'm using chicken. You can feel free to use any type of meat you like, including goat meat, cow meat, ram, any type of meat will be just fine. So after washing the chicken, then we'll put it inside the pot. We will also go ahead and put our stockfish or cod fish and our pepper inside the pot. Put our salt and some seasoning cubes. All the ingredients used in this food is in the description below. So I will go ahead and peel my onion and wash it. I like to use red onion for my chicken. It just gives it a better taste, in my opinion, than the white one. So I'll let it to start cooking. While the chicken is cooking, I'll start getting the other ingredients ready. So I'll start by washing my vegetable, and the vegetable I'm using is kale. Please, I don't know if that pronunciation is correct. You can correct me in the comment below. I also recommend you use fluted pumpkin leaf, that is ugu, if you can find one. But if you cannot find ugu, any other vegetable might just work, but it might not just be exactly as delicious as when you use ugu or kale for it. So after washing the ugu, my kale, I'll give it a rough chop. It has already been chopped before I bought it, but the sizes are way bigger than I wanted, so I want to give it a final chop. Then I put all of them in a bowl and set them aside. I'll also cut my fish into smaller pieces, remove all the gills and the fins. I would recommend you use smoked fish if you can get one, but if not, this is also good. I'll peel my cocoyam. I'm not going to cook this one before blending them, just like the traditional way. I'm going to blend it right away after peeling. If you're using UZIZA seed, you can just blend it with the cocoyam here if it's not blended. So this is what my cocoyam paste look like after blending. So we go back to the chicken. It's time to put our fish, both the dry and the mackerel. So I'll put them right in because the chicken is almost cooked. So it's the right time for these ones to get in. Put about a cup and half warm water inside the pot. Then I'll come back and mix my cocoyam paste with palm oil. That way everything will blend. I'm not going to see oil separating from the soup. Everything is going to come together and give you that perfect soup that you always enjoy. So I'll right now add all the cocoyam paste inside the pot. Rinse the blender with water, put it inside the pot, rinse the plate, put it inside the pot. Nothing is going to waste. things are not hard, but we are not going to waste things. So I turn the soup and let it boil for some minutes, after which I'll put the crayfish inside. Put more warm water because I check the soup is quite thick, and when it's too thick I'm not really going to enjoy that uziza flavor. It's going to mask both the flavor of the uziza and other ingredients in the soup. I don't want that. This is the time to put the uziza and some Cameroon pepper to give you that perfect blended complex flavor. Right now the aroma, both the stockfish, the mackerel fish, the dry fish, the crayfish, everything fused together and it's smelling all over the flat. Ah, my neighbors would be like, what are these people cooking? But they may not be able to eat. So I put the vegetables, the soup is almost ready. This is the department I like to work. See the greens. See how everything is together. Water is not separate, oil is not separate. Everything married together. They are a harmony. Are you seeing that soup? Just look at. You make this one for your Igbo husband. Ah, just point at his father's house. He will sell it for you or dash you. So this is the soup now. Just start eating. Just look at how that soup is. Oh my God. Just please give the video a thumb up, share with your friends and your family, and subscribe. Invite your friends to subscribe to this channel because every week I'm going to be supplying delicious recipes like this 2 or 3 times every single week. Thank you very much for watching. See you next